Let me show you how to use a music player on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and also Ultra 2, and also how to even load additional music to your watch as well for offline listening. So first, if you swipe up, if you go in your apps, this is your music player, so that song icon as see, and yeah, you have your songs here, so you can go forward, backward, and also play it. As you can also control the volume here, and also we can obviously play the music through the speaker as well. If you click on the headphones, you can change the output. So for example, I have connected my headphones here, so you can switch to the playback for the headphones. If you want to pair for like a additional speaker or headphones, click here. So we can also favorite the song here. If you swipe up, you can also shuffle it as well if needed. And yeah, speaker quality is absolutely great on this watch. And also the music is able to play in the background as well. So see, if I do something else on the watch, it's still playing. If I click here, I can return to the music player easily. Then if you want to load more music to your watch, it's very easy. So you simply open up the Galaxy Wearable app, and in this app click here, so in the settings, then go manage content, tracks on watch. If you click this plus icon, you can simply select from your phone's internal storage, so select some music, for example here, and click add to watch. I already have those, but yeah, I see it's now connecting to the watch and will send over shortly. It's actually quite fast process. Okay, and then I see all done. You should also get a notification on your watch that you have new tracks added, so you can tap and also listen to the new music that way as well. Okay, good luck.